Hello everybody and welcome back. All right, today we're going to do some shopping. We're going to get this limited edition spring bloom background, and then we're going to go ahead and set it so we can see it. So we're in the item store. We're going to go ahead and click on that limited and click buy for 3,000 metals. All right, now we're going to set it. So let's click the back one more time, back one more time. Now let's click the menu icon and then now go ahead and click on that little pencil there to change the background. It's going to take us to that menu. We'll go ahead and click on the spring bloom and click display. And there we go. We are ready for the new season. That's another way to use some of those metals. All right, everybody. Thank you all so much for watching. We will see you in a future video.